Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and my 30 minutes practice tutorial. So first I want to say thank you for your feedback to my previous video and for those of you who send me your practice work. And in the same time, please don't hesitate to send me your message with what would you like to see in my next videos. Today I choose to talk about skin tone and skin undertone. But before to start, I would like to shortly remind you a little bit about color theory. So in the color theory we have primary colors, which are red, yellow and blue. And we have secondary colors, which are green, purple and orange. These secondary colors are a mix between two primary colors. And we have tertiary colors, and so on we can mix and achieve many other different colors. But if you take a look a little bit on our color wheel, if we will split our color wheel in two parts, we will have two different sides. One is with warm colors and one is with cool colors. In the meantime, we have people with warm skin undertone and cool skin undertone. So now let's connect this with our skin tone and skin undertone. So let's start first with the skin tone. The skin tone is that color of our skin that we can see when we look at our face or body in the mirror at the natural color light and also without makeup on our face. The skin tone is changing during the summertime and can be a little bit more dark, and during the winter time and can be a little bit more light. And also according to different countries and nationalities, the skin tone can be from very light color to very dark color. While the skin undertone is a little bit tricky because the skin undertone is that color inside of our skin tone and we don't see it, we can see it so easy. So rule number one to discover your skin undertone. Check your veins color on your wrist side here where the skin is a little bit more transparent and you can see your color veins through the skin. And if the color of your veins are more, let's say, green olive, this means that you are a warm skin undertone. If you are a girl, you can choose yellow base foundation for your face. And also you can wear all the colors that contains yellow tint inside. But you need to be very careful because you cannot basically yellow because this will make your skin to look pale. And also you need to avoid your complementary color, which is the color exactly in the opposite direction of your main color, because this will be too bright for your skin tone. And I also recommend you to wear gold jewelries more than silver jewelries because this will match perfectly with your skin tone. If your veins color is blue-violet, this means that you are a cool skin undertone. So you can very easy choose a pink base foundation for your face, and also you can wear all the clothes that contain blue tint inside. but in the same time you need to avoid blue color because this will make your skin to look very pale, and also you need to avoid your complementary color, which will be too bright for your skin tone. I also recommend you to wear silver jewelries because these will match perfectly with your skin tone. And if your veins color is also olive and also violet, pinkish violet, this means that you are neutral skin undertone, and you are the luckiest person. You are a chameleon person, and here you have let's say 50% cool skin undertone and 50% warm skin undertone, so you can wear and choose whatever you like, gold or silver jewelries, or you can wear whatever color you like because this will match perfectly with your skin. So this is the story about skin tone and skin undertone. But because I wanted to be a little bit more clear, I just made a classification of skin contrast, and I find 9 types of skin contrast, from very light color to very dark color, where 0 is neutral. So this is the skin contrast scale, where 0 is neutral and -2 it's very light skin, and +2 it's very dark skin. But in the same time we have on this scale also cool skin undertone and warm skin undertone. So I just try to classify the skin types like this because I find a lot of combination, and also there are, I think, more than this, but I try just to make a little bit more simple and to be more easy to understand. So -2 skin undertone category. So these people have a very white porcelain skin. They have blue eyes and blue icy eyes. They have white eyebrows and white lashes, and the hair, it's the same, very white. So this means that these kind of people skin undertone, they don't have pigment inside of the skin and also inside of the hair. They are very white people, and they usually cannot stay at the sunlight. They cannot tan, they never tan. If they stay to the sunlight, they will get burned to the sunlight because the skin, it's really white and transparent, and there is no pigment inside of the skin. So the next category is -2 warm skin undertone. So these people have very light yellowish skin. It's almost similar like -1 cool, but you can see in this skin a little bit of yellow tint, and this makes the skin to be a little bit warm, yeah? So they have blue icy eyes, and also they have very light hair, blonde hair, but the same with a little bit of yellow inside, yellow color inside. Sometimes these people can have a ginger hair, and they can have like orange eyebrows color, orange hair color, but they still are the same in -2 warm because they have very light skin, and usually they burn to the sunlight, and they never tan, they never get tanned. -1 cool skin undertone category is that people that have light skin, sometimes can be olive skin, They have blue eyes, so they can have many different colors of blue eyes. Usually they have ash gray hair, or let's say more like cool color hair, but the color it's not very dark, it's more like a blonde ashy hair. They usually don't have a big contrast between the let's say the hair and the skin type. Usually they get tan, but not very much, and sometimes they burn to the sunlight. -1 warm skin undertone are the people with peachy light skin, so they have a warm undertone but also can have a little bit of pink color. They have green eyes, they can have a warm light hazel eyes color, and they have ashy hair, but also they have a little bit of gold tint inside of the hair color. Usually they are the people that are close to the zero neutral category, and usually they get tan and they burn to the sunlight a little bit less than other categories. Zero neutral skin undertone category, it's those people that have no contrast between hair and skin. So they have 50% warm skin undertone and 50% cool skin undertone. Usually in the beginning they get a little bit burned to the sunlight, but then very fast they get tan to the sunlight. +1 cool skin undertone category are those with dark hair, more dark, maybe sometimes olive skin tone, can be ash blue skin tone. These people have dark eyes, and usually they get tan, but sometimes they can be burned to the sunlight. +1 warm skin undertone category are the people with dark hair, yellow skin. They can have light brown, sometimes with a little bit of yellow in the middle of the eyes. And these people, they have very, very thick eyebrows and also very thick hair. Usually they get tan to the sunlight, and almost 20% or 30% they burn to the sunlight. In +2 cool skin undertone category, we have two different types of people. Some of them, they have a very dark blue skin color with very dark blue hair color and with very dark eyes color. These people, they get tan to the sunlight. And in the second time, we have people with very white, pale blue skin color, with very dark blue hair color, and with very dark eyes color. These people, they never tan and they get burned to the sunlight. And we have a +2 warm skin undertone category, which is the last one. And again, here we have two different types of people, and some of them, they have a warm yellow skin undertone, they have dark eyes and dark hair color, and these people, they get tan to the sunlight. And in the other side, we have people with warm dark skin undertone, with dark eyes and dark hair color, sometimes a little bit reddish hair color, and these people also, they get tan to the sunlight. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoy my lesson, and if you like it, thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe, and also leave your message down below this post with what would you like to see in my next videos. Thank you guys for today. See you next time. Bye bye.